guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to buy stars. So this video is mainly for those of you looking for ways to buy stars so that you can complete some tasks on some Telegram airdrops that require stars. So this is how you can get stars easily. So what you just need to do is to download Donkeyper, import your wallet seed phrase, or you can create a new wallet. After creating the wallet, what you just need to do is to click on receive, copy your address, then you can take it to any centralized exchange and send some funds. But before then, what you just need to do is to click on browser. After clicking on browser, scroll down and you're going to see fragment. Click on fragment. So after clicking on fragment, we make sure to connect your wallet to the fragment site. Now what you need to do is to click on stars. Okay, so click on stars. It's going to bring you here. You can see the minimum stars you can buy, which is 50 stars for 0.1492, 500 stars for 1.4, and 2.5 for 7.4 tons. So now I'm going to buy 300, but before then I'm going to put down my so what you need to do is copy your Telegram username and paste it here. Then after that, put the amount of stars that you wish to buy. Like I'm going to buy 300 stars. Then you can see more option here, but I'm just going to select 300 stars. Please put your Telegram username here without the @ Then I'm going to see your Telegram username. So I wish to buy these stars so that I can use it to perform some Telegram mini app transactions. So I'm not buying this. You click on 300, buy 300 Telegram stars. Click here. Now you click on buy stars for AG. Click here. Yes, network fee, everything. I'm going to slide it, put my password. So done. So recording in the blockchain. Telegram stars will be credited as soon as your transaction is successfully recorded in the blockchain. So you'll need to wait for some time for it to get recorded in the blockchain. Then you're going to receive your stars. Alright guys, so looking on the screen you can see 300 Telegram stars for AG. Alright, so minimize to my main Telegram account. So you can see here. Alright, so as you can see, unknown user sent you a gift for 0.9 ton, which is 4.5. So this is for stars, that is 300 stars. So click on view. You can see all the details, transaction ID, everything, and see it here. Alright guys, so this is how to buy stars for those of you that need to buy stars so that you can perform some Telegram mini app transaction. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.